Today, Matt has reminded us that we need to have Jesus at the centre of our lives, especially at this time as we start going back to work and school. We're going to make spirals which we can hang in our home with Jesus firmly at the centre. To do these, you need some fairly stiff card and something circular that you can draw around. You'll need some scissors, a hole punch, something to do your decorations, and possibly some sellotape to stick your wool or your string so that you can hang it. To start, draw round your circular object. Then cut that out. Once you've cut the circle out, you're going to spiral it by cutting inwards from the edge towards the centre. Make sure that you leave enough of a centre to be able to write on Jesus, and maybe you want to put a cross to remind you what Jesus did for you. Alternatively, you might decide that you want to write your own name there with the cross, or your own name and Jesus. Maybe you want to write on the spiral, Jesus is the centre of my life, as a reminder. Using the bowl, I've got a spiral this size. If you want a smaller one, use something like a glass, and that will give you this size. Once you've made your spiral, take your hole punch or something sharp to make a hole at the centre. Once you've done that, you can begin your decoration. I'm going to put a cross in the middle, reminding me that Jesus gave his life for me. And I'm going to write Jesus beside it to remind me that it's Jesus who is at the centre of my life. I'm then going to take a piece of wool and tie it through my hole, ready for it to become a mobile. After that, I will use my felt pens to decorate so that I've got a spiral that I am happy to look at as the reminder that Jesus is the centre of my life. Enjoy.